Okay, let us now have a look in the other direction, because acknowledgement means that I can, as client or Salesforce, want to have acknowledgement, or the other way, the other side want to have the acknowledgement. So now just say the other way, the inbound processing way, that here SAP is now client. Just reverse, just change the use case. So SAP is now client and Salesforce is the server. So you want to do something on Salesforce side, and SAP need a confirmation that really an account, whatever, has been posted. Then you can again make a call out from a client from SAP through the SAP adapter. And in this case, our API, you are using our SKYVVA API. In this case, SKYVVA API provides you the possibility to put a request ID. You can just generate a number, a unique number, to be as your request ID. Then you are sending the request ID through our API to SKYVVA, to Salesforce. When we get the message with the request ID, we are doing the message processing. So we are going to our inbound processing. And if, for example, this is an opportunity, we will create an opportunity. So when we do that, we create the request message and we create the response message. We are linking the request and response message together, and we are preparing that message for the monitoring. And then we can send back to the caller, to SAP, the request ID. So when we send back the request ID, SAP on the other side can do the correlation or get now the confirmation and know that now everything is correct. The data has been posted, because the request ID that SAP has been sent could be retrieved back, could be sent back to SAP. And therefore, that is the confirmation. That is the acknowledgement handling. And this is the acknowledgement handling on a business level. It is not on a technical level. A technical level is only when you make an API call, and then the API call do something in the background but do not give you any response back. It gets you only a technical response that say, okay, the call has been received, HTTP 200, but it doesn't send you the order number. Therefore, you don't know if the order has been created or not. That is technical acknowledgement. But what we are talking here in this use case, in this scenario, is business acknowledgement. Okay, so that is the acknowledgement feature that we have introduced in this release for inbound and outbound processing. So you can do on both ways. You can now handle business confirmation. And here, just want to tell you that you have different way to put the ID that we can use. So you can choose which kind of ID you want to use as the correlation handling. The default is giving just an ID as a request ID. You can also have a transfer ID or transaction ID. So these three kind of ID we are supporting, so that you can choose which one is fit to your requirement.